Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi, it's me Hamza Anwar and you're watching Complete Education Pakistan. Today we are going to do the part 1 of The Man of Life Upright from the book English Language for Grade 10, Balochistan textbook, board Quetta. So let's start. Guiltless, قصور. Dishonest, ایمانی. Vanity means باطل. Deeds, اعمال. Thoughts, سوچ یا افکار. Heart, دل. The man of life upright, سیدھا سادہ زندگی بسر کرنے والا انسان. Whose guiltless heart is free, جس کا بے قصور دل آزاد ہے. From all dishonest deeds, تمام بے ایمانہ عمل سے. اور thought of vanity یا باطلانہ سوچوں سے. So that's it for today's lesson. Subscribe to our channel Complete Education Pakistan. Like this video if you enjoyed. Press the bell icon so you can get our latest notifications. And also like our Facebook page Complete Education Pakistan. Allah Hafiz.